Pronouncement of judgment WPC 80331/2022.
Not there. In this case, we have found that the records are very horribly maintained by the tribunal. Mr. Pang is there. Mr. Pang,
Yes, ma'am.
this file has taken us more than 2 hours
Yes.
to find out where the documents are. One of the most horribly maintained records I have ever seen in the trial court. I will pass you the records. Is it possible? Okay, not required. We'll show you from here. And therefore we are compelled to observe that the haphazard manner in which the records are maintained, the Home and Political B Department would consider training program for learned members and superintendents of Foreigners Tribunal in the state for maintaining records. The said authority is also requested to circulate a copy of this order to the Foreigners Tribunal in the state. The writ petition is allowed to the extent indicated above, with the remand of the matter back to the tribunal for fresh decision in accordance with law. You will find a description of in fact, each paragraph of this order will indicate how badly this record was maintained. There are overlapping of exhibits. Every witnesses have given different numbers.
Yes.
Multiple exhibit 13 for exhibit 15, 16, 17. The PAN card and this voter ID card, they were stapled together, and nobody knows what is the number of the exhibit and what is the numbering done. So when we open the envelope, it is different from what is there in the document. Envelope, they are marked exhibit 13, 17, 18, 19. Inside there are different documents. There is a material exhibit number 1. Material exhibit is not stated by any of the witnesses. Then the part of the order sheet is at one part of the record. The second part of the order sheet is in different part of the record. You can just imagine the amount of energy it took to find out the documents, and therefore we have sent everybody to. We have requested the state to send everybody for training how to maintain records.
It is very much necessary, my lord. That is the problem.
No, if this state happens, I may not always be in a very good mood. Even if you look at the record, you will not be in a good mood. Yes.
I'll verify the record, my lord. Let me verify the record, my lord.
We did not give that scope to you. It is, we have mentioned in the order.
No, I understand, my lord. I personally want to verify it. Then
we have mentioned in the order itself the discrepancy. There you go. Itu, lihat lah. Itu para 9 or something. Take your time. This will take you more than I took.
Yeah.
If it takes me 2 hours, I can guarantee that in 2 hours you will not be able to find it. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Those were practice matters in civil side. they would know how to exhibit everything. Otherwise,
No, no,
Hmm.
this is more bad than that.
worse. Anyway, well, there are 2 dates to be corrected in your lordship's judgment.
Okay.
The BBCL. Well, your lordship is
Give
rising at 1 month before that I will move it. Application is filed.
May I pray? Not on motion matter Millard. May I pray for listing two Millard. And Millard, another Millard orders matter, IA for Millard, suspension of the impugn opinion of the learned tribunal. Same Millard, as
So, opinion of which year?
Millard 2022.
Then you know the answer,
Yes, we have filed the IA Millard.
but you know the answer. Give it, but
Millard. Obliged.
we have limited time tomorrow also.
May I please, the Lordship, my lord, that picked up matter, my lord, nowhere about the. My lord, that the person has been picked up for pushback, but thereafter we do not know the whereabouts. Tomorrow, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship has allowed this mention earlier, this picked up matter, but somehow it didn't come, your lordship. Can it come up tomorrow, your lordship? There is another petition, your lordship, for motion on Monday, your lordship.
Not on Monday, make it, if you have filed it, make it tomorrow, not on Monday.
Item 1 for motion.
Down below, middle of the record, you will find again an order sheet.
Yes.
Then exhibits are down below. Last end of the file, you will find additional evidence of the DW1. This is not how records are to be maintained. Yes,
In this case, my friend was directed to obtain the instruction, my lord, whether the whereabouts about the murder of the petitioner, my lord. He was picked up by police, my lord, on 24/5/2025. Since then, she is missing, my lord.
okay. Can you get the information where the, your mother,
You please.
your mother,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lord, I'll get it.
Hmm?
Half an hour.
huh?
Half an hour.
Okay.
Probably inspection is there.
Okay. We'll take it up at 12 then.
Yes.
Take your time. You can give a copy of the writ petition to him so that he can get the numbers.
Yes. It will be sent. I'll get.
Supplementary item 7 for admission.
But this case, my lord, the person is with. In Matia detention, Matia Holding Center, my lord. In fact, my lord, I have the instruction, my lord, will be released by today, my lord.
Mhm.
He'll be taken back from Matia detention camp to my lord Gulagat. He will be handed over to the family, my lord.
Okay.
The escort team is.
Okay, then we are listing it on Monday.
My lord,
Let them get information.
my lord, grateful.
Be handing over to them.
No, it's okay, but they will communicate it to you, then you will give it to us. If it is on Monday.
Once this is for, I'll get the my lord copy of the.
Okay.
Grateful, man. Grateful.
Both sides are represented. Mr. J. Pang, Leonard, standing counsel for the FD matters, has submitted that he has received telephonic instructions in the matter. And there is every likelihood that the father of the petitioner
Father of the petitioner.
is likely to be released.
He's actually, the petitioner is the the detainee, but the deponent was the son.
Petitioner.
Okay, the petitioner, okay, then the petitioner, every likelihood the petitioner would be released from the holding center. Stop, however, it prays for some more time to get the information as about the release. Next para, this on, make it Monday.
Grateful, man.
Just last line. The pendency of this petition shall not be a bar for the authorities to release the petitioner.
Item 2 for orders.
This is the IA for the condemnation of delay and the earlier occasion, your lordship, the notice has been issued and to the respondent number 7, we have served justice. And in that regards, we are asked to file an affidavit. An affidavit we have also.
Who is 7?
The NRC.
No, NRC, we already have Mr. Sharma here. Mr. Sharma, you will appear for. Please give a copy to Mr. Sharma.
Yes.
This is a review petition.
Yes, lordship. The review.
Delay of how many days?
It's a delay of lordship 1636 days. 1636.
One 1636.
Yes.
You may better have a very good reason. Please tell us what is the ground.
Lordship, earlier they have approached the Supreme Court, but it was being rejected. I have annexed in the review petition, and on the basis of the Honorable Apex Court order of the Kanya Yamed versus the state of Kerala, where the question as to what is the effect of the dismissal of SLP was being explained, and the alternative remedy for the review and appeal is not lost if SLP is dismissed. This has been
This, you see, your only ground is that
Yeah,
1636 delay is caused because of financial insufficient income.
yes, that is one of the.
But
reasons.
then if we make some comment, we will be restraining the lawyers from taking more fees than rupees 100 or 150 in a high court.
At
Now we'll
that-
have to fix our fees that no lawyer in the practicing under this high court.
They have already spent a lot
No,
in this.
I
case.
understand, but please tell us,
Yes.
what is the criteria of judging sufficient income? We have legal aid.
Yes, sir.
Then if the petitioner cannot take legal aid, then the other alternative is that we'll have to fix appearance fees in a high court.
No, lordship, they have no knowledge.
I can look at few of the learned counsel who is already apprehensive.
Even I have done this review petition. in a very-
Involuntarily, my hand also is going like that.
In a very mere amount, I have.
No,
done
but
the review
tell me,
petition.
if he can't afford, the state is doing everything. There's a legal aid. If they don't avail that, can this be a ground of 1636 days?
They didn't know about the legal aid service. They have approached me. I have done on on just a mere amount, your lordship, not even a.
No, whatever. You see, we are not questioning your
Yes.
fees. What we are saying is that we have no criteria to say. This just can't be. You have a sale deed that is exhibit 1 by which you gave land to your wife. So if you can donate land to your wife by way of a gift or sale deed. You have a sale deed in favor of your wife.
Yes.
Now please tell me, your wife has money, that's why she paid you. A husband taking money for land itself is a very sound proposition that you're not poor.
It was long back, your lordship.
Pardon me?
It was long back, your lordship.
Oh, whatever be. Mr. Sharma has more knowledge than me for a value of land. Land purchased in 87 at rupees 100 would be how much now? Definitely more than 100. We are dismissing it, I'm sorry.
Lordship, he has a very good case in this, your lordship.
No, sorry, 1636 days is not a good, the para 3 is not a good explanation. Next para, heard. Mr. S. Ahmed,
Yes, sir.
learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard. The applicants, S. applicants. Also heard. All the respondents are there, Union of India, Mr. J. Pang, learned standing counsel for the FT matters and NRC. Representing respondent number 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number 5. And Mr. H. Kuli on behalf of Mr. A.I. Ali, standing counsel for respondent number 8. Next paragraph. The present review petition is preferred against the order dated 6/6/2017, passed by the division bench of this court in WA 29 of 2014, by which the said intra-court appeal was dismissed. Next paragraph. As there is a delay of 1636 days beyond the period of limitation in filing the connected review application, comma, this by filing this interlocutory application, comma, the applicants have prayed for condoning the delay of 1636 days beyond the period of limitation in filing this the connected review petition. Next paragraph. The only reason assigned in paragraph 3 of this interlocutory application to explain the delay is that the said delay was caused due to financial hardship, and the applicants were disturbed by the COVID-19 pandemic, due to which there was insufficient income for the family, and moreover, there was lack of knowledge and understanding of the gravity of the matter. Next paragraph. The perusal of the materials available in the record of WA 29 of 2014, it expressly appears that the family of the petitioner has landed property. Therefore, it is in the absence of any particulars, the court is not inclined to accept the projection that the petitioners are poor. or having insufficient source of income. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. It is also noted that in the proceedings of WPC 342 of 2013, the petitioners were represented by the learned counsel. So no, make it single line in WPC 342, and W829 of 2014, the petitioners, public applicants were represented by the learned counsel. Therefore, it is the court is unable to accept the projection that the petitioners were not aware of the legal implication. If the and applicants over there, applicants. If the 8 applicants herein all claim ignorance due to lack of knowledge and understanding of the gravity of the matter, comma, the only presumption that the court can draw is that they do not care to take legal advice as to what would be the implication of dismissal of the writ appeal, by which the dismissal of the writ petition was affirmed. And resultantly, comma, the opinion of the learned foreigners tribunal, comma, holding the applicants to be foreigner post 25/3/1971 stream had attained finality. Next, therefore, comma, on all grounds, the court is inclined to hold that the applicants have not been able to explain the delay and latches in preferring the connected review with a delay of 1636 days beyond the period of limitation in filing the delay of 1636 days in filing the connected review application is to accordingly, comma. Yes. Interrogatory applications is without any merit and the same dismissed. Full stop. Consequently, the unnumbered review application will also stand dismissed.
By stating the legal appeal order. They approach the Supreme Court.
Where is it?
Case 75 crores. This time, these were dismissed by. Case 75 crores.
Single plan. I said, in that last part, you also had there. Moreover, from the contents CUNTS, contents of the connected review application, comma, it is noticed that against the order passed in WA 29 of 2014, comma, the applicants had approached the Supreme Court of India and the special leave petition within bracket civil diary number 31698 of 2017. Preferred against the order dated 6/6/2017 passed in WA 29 of 2014 was dismissed by holding that it was dismissed, that's all. Dismissed. By order dated 6/11/2017. Okay.
All right.
Item 3 for orders.
May I take the Lordship? Lordship, the counsel for the petitioner, Lordship, Mr. Soma is leaks in another court. Can it be taken up after some time, Lordship?
After some time. Okay.
Lordship. At all.
Yes, item 4.
Lordship, this case has been filed for restoration of the review petition, which has been dismissed for default, your Lordship. Lordship, on last occasion has asked me to explain the furnishing materials, your Lordship, the faults which I have explained in paragraph number 3 of my miscase case. I filed the additional affidavit, your Lordship. Annexing the death information certificate and also the notification issued by the NTI, your Lordship. Lordship, younger sister of the one of the council, your Lordship, died, your Lordship, on 6th.
What is the explanation here?
Explanation I have stated in paragraph number 3 of my miscase, your Lordship. Younger sister of engaged counsel, Mr. H.A. Talukdar, had died on 17/1/2025.
Just a moment. Para 3 of the additional affidavit.
No, your Lordship, of my miscase, your Lordship,
Para 3 of the application.
application.
Okay,
And to attend in the this back, Your Lordship, I filed the additional affidavit. Your Lordship.
okay. Okay. We'll restore it. Heard Mr. K. Miral and counsel for the applicant. Also heard all the respondents are there, Mr. Pudi. Ms. Barua, you are yes, CGC? Ms. S. Barua is CGC, huh? Next paragraph. By filing this interlocutory application, comma, the applicant has prayed for restoration of review petition within bracket C, number 75 of 2023, comma, which was dismissed for non-prosecution by order dated 22/1/2025. Next paragraph. It is projected that the younger sister of the engaged counsel had expired on 17/1/2025, for which he had to go to his hometown. Full stop. By filing an additional affidavit on 5/3/2025, the learned counsel for the applicant has produced the documents showing the death of the sister of the learned counsel for the applicant. Next paragraph. Accordingly, the applicant has been able to show that there was good and sufficient cause for non-representation of the applicant when the matter was when the connected review petition was called on 22/1/2025. Next, but accordingly, this interlocutory application stands allowed. Next, but resultantly, the order dated 22 January 2025 passed in the connected review petition C number 75 of 2023 stands recalled. And in review petition, you say, heard so and so, in view of order passed today in MC 2 of 2025, the order dated (22/1/2025) stands recalled, and this review petition is restored to file. You take it up after vacation. The review application, it will be after the ensuing. You make it in the week commencing 21/7/2025.
God bless you.
Oh, very good. No. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তাহলে না লাগে থাক shall be restored to file, huh? The registry shall now revive the review petition. Okay. But that order will not come in the, since that is disposed of, the order will not come there. That's fine.
Item 5 for orders.
Yeah, please go. Also, this is a IA for a direction to the superintendent of police border, where the earlier occasion on 1/9/2021, this honorable court was pleased to give bail to the petitioner. And accordingly, she has appeared before the superintendent of police border since then. But from the last 9 months, Your Lordship, she could not appear before the superintendent of police. Even she was being asked to appear every 1 month. She has been appearing since then, but she met with an accident for which she could not appear from the last 9 months. And now, Your Lordship, she has apprehending because their police has been continually searching in her house to detain her. So she is in the fear that she might get deported, and her case is still pending. Bail order is at page 10, Your Lordship. There is no such condition to appear every 1 month, Your Lordship. Still, she has been asked to appear every 1 month. She has been appearing since 2021. But last 9 months only she could not appear.
That was not a condition of bail. Can you make an inquiry? We'll permit you to make an inquiry as to what has happened. So not a condition to appear every month. Heard Mr. S. Ahmed, non-counsel for the applicant. All the respondents are there. Next, para. By filing this interlocutory application, the applicant has brought on record, has projected that by an order dated 1/9/2021, passed by this court in the connected WPC 4231 of 2021, the applicant, namely Muhammad MUSSTT, full stop, Sahira, SAHERA, Khatun, KHATWN, was granted bail on certain conditions. Full stop. Next para. The learned counsel for the petition applicant has submitted that although there was no condition for the applicant to appear before the Office of Superintendent of Police border Hojai every month, but she has been asked to appear every month until, which she did till September 2024. Full stop. However, thereafter she has suffered a medical condition called inverted commas mild MILD, mild reduced lumbar LUMBAR lordosis LORDOSIS inverted comma closed, for which she is unable to appear before the Superintendent of Police border Hojai. Full stop. Accordingly, apprehension is expressed that expressed by the learned counsel for the applicant that police personnel under the Superintendent of Police, Border Hojai, take coercive steps. Next paragraph. Having noted that there is no condition in the order dated 1/9/2021 passed in WA 4231 of 2021 for the applicant to appear before the Superintendent of Police, Border Hojai, every month. We request the Learned Standing Council for the FT matters to obtain appropriate instructions. Next paragraph. The Learned Standing Council for the FT matters is permitted to send a downloaded copy of this order to the Superintendent of Police, Border Hojai. Obtain information. Next paragraph, list on. You make it Tuesday, Wednesday. You makes it on Wednesday.
Immediately after vacation.
After vacation. Okay, make it 19/7/2021. Mr. However, the authorities shall take note that the order of bail dated 1/9/2021, comma referred above is still in force. That's all. Tomato silo.
One type of IQ extraction. This is my we have handed over the person to the BSF. We have handed over the person
To the BSF. Mr. Saike was here. Okay.
It is now that that's the
So it will be, Ms. Barwa is here
I'll forward the instruction.
to Ms. Barwa. Ms. Barwa, in this case, person declared to be a foreigner, mother of the petitioner was declared to be a foreigner. She's been apprehended and her whereabouts are not known. She was picked up by the Mornoi police station and handed over. Now he says that he's handed over to BSF. Please get information about the whereabouts. Correct? You said both sides are represented. Next paragraph, pursuant to order dated 13/6/2025, passed by this court, comma, Mr. J. Pang, Learned Standing Counsel for the FT matters, has submitted that as per instructions received, as per telephonic instruction received, comma,
Within instruction.
Majira Khatun, Majira, Majira Khatun, comma, the mother of the petitioner, comma, who was declared as a foreigner by opinion dated 1/12/2018, passed in this order is there, last order, paragraph 3. Huh? To the side of para 3. By the Foreigners Tribunal number 5th, Kualpara, comma, has has been handed over to the Border Security Force,
183 battalion. It's
183 battalion. Okay, well,
183 battalion Pura.
it will be first 183 BN, Border Security Force,
183 battalion Pura
Tura, Tura,
under sector headquarters Panbari. It is
under sector headquarter, Panbari.
Panbari.
Next para. Accordingly, Ms. S. Barwal and CGC appearing for the Union of India shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the concerned authorities so as to obtain information about the regarding whereabouts of the said detained person, namely Majira Khatun. List on. Make it 25th, 25, 6, 2025. 25, 6. Next one, list on 25, 6, 2025. Any matter left out?
Item 3,
Time was met, time being met.
We have to adjourn it. Okay. You are at the back, you are students of which college?
So, Paran College of Law, Kuch Bihar.
Which college?
West Bengal, sir.
Okay, which college?
College of Law.
Uttarayan College of Law. Okay. We are taking up matters which relate to declaration of persons as foreigners, where the opinions are challenged, passed by the tribunals are being challenged before the High Court in division bench. May not have been able to follow what is happening.
So
Mr. Payang,
Do we need to speak? Do you need to consent, sir?
no. We said that you may not be able to follow it, but
Yes,
if you want some particulars, Mr. J. Payang is here. He will have to, he may assist you in knowing the basic issues about the foreigners issue here.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
I'll interact with it.
Because these students, they will learn something. Yes,
Item number 3. Can
It'll
it
be adjourned.
Can it be taken up on Monday?
no. It's not coming up on Monday. This will go after Wednesday. We're not fixing a date right now. It just goes as adjourned. List after. Okay. Yes, by tonight. It will list after a week. It will be list after a week, item 3.